Welcome students. Today we'll be back again with the new example of Habu. Okay. Now first we are going to discuss the tracing algorithm for Habu. Now step 0 is to initialize weights that can be set to 0, that is wi equals to 0 for I equals to 1 to n, where n is the total number of input neurons. Set bias to 0. Here we can say that the weights are 0 and also the value of bias is 0. Okay. Step 1 is the weight adjustments. Weight adjusted and bias adjustments are performed. Now in this case, okay, that is wi new is equals to wi old plus xi y. Okay, that is the formula which used to calculate the value of wi new. Now for bias, the formula is w old plus y. Now change in weight delta w is equals to xi y. Okay. Hub rule can be used for pattern association, pattern categorization, and for pattern classification. Okay. Now let us look at the problem of pattern classification for Hab rule. Now this is the question. Using Hab rule, find weights required to perform the following classification of given input pattern. +1 symbol represents the value 1 and empty squares indicate -1. Okay. Plus represents the value of -1 and empty squares represents the value of -1. Okay. Now consider I belongs to the member of class, so has a target value of 1, and 0 does not belong to the member of class. 0 does not belong to member of class, so has a target value -1. That means the target value for I is 1 and the target value for 0 is -1. Now the first step is to arrange data in tabular form, okay, where I and 0 is given. Now let us see the input. How much input is given? We will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we will have 9 input vectors. Now let us see how to make a table. So we write correspondingly +1, we will write 1. Okay. So for I, see the pattern, that is 1, 1, 1, -1, 1, -1, 1, 1, 1. That is 1, 1, 1, -1, 1, -1, 1, 1, 1. And the target value for I is, it is 1. Okay, because it belongs to the member of class, so has a target value 1. Same for 0. See, 1, 1, 1, 1, -1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Now the target value for 0 is -1 because it does not belongs to the member of class, so has a target value of -1. Okay. Now the first step is to now according to the algorithm, first step to initialize weights equals to 0. So how many weights are there? For 9 input vectors, 9 weights are there, that is W1, W2, W3, W4, W5, W6, W7, W8, W9, including bias. We have to set all the value of weight should be 0. Okay. Now see the case 1. Okay. Case 1 presenting first input pattern, that is the pattern of I. For I, the target value is 1. Okay. So now you have to calculate the value of weights. So wi new is equals to wi old plus xi y. Okay. So the value of wi old is already given. We can set all the value of weights are 0. So the old value of wi is 0 x1 is 1 and the target value y is also 1. So we get the new value of w1, that is 1. Same as we can find out the value of all the weights including bias. For bias the formula is b old plus y only, the target value. Okay, that is 1. So 0 plus 1, it is 1. So the final value of weights is 1 1 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 1 1 and 1. Okay, now let us see for case 2. Okay, so this means in this case the weights that we have already obtained will serve as the initial weights. Okay, so presenting second input pattern 0, initial weights used here are final weights. Okay, that is the initial weights obtained after the first input pattern, that is. Okay, and the target value for this case is minus 1. Okay, so now see wi new, again the formula is same, it is wi old plus xi y. Now in this case wi old is the initial weights which we are getting after calculating the which we obtained in the previous case, that is these weights can serve as the initial weights. Okay, now wi new is equals to wi old is 1 plus the value of input vector is 1 and the target value for this case is minus 1. Okay, so that is the value of w1 new, it is 0. Okay, for w2 new, what is the value of wi old? It is 1, as you see here, it is 1. Okay, plus xi y. Okay, the target value is minus 1 and the value of xi is, for w2 we can consider it is, as you see here, for I the second input value is 1. Sorry, for 0 the second input value is 1, third is also 1, fourth is also 1, only fifth is minus 1 and the rest are plus 1. Okay, so as you see here w3 1 plus 1 into minus 1, we are getting 0 over here only for w5. Okay, the value of xi is minus 1, the target value is minus 1, we get the value, it is plus 2. Okay, so after calculating all these values we are getting the value of w new is like this: 0 0 0 minus 2 2 minus 2 0 0 0 and 0. Okay, so finally draw the Hebb network, this Hebb network where x1 x2 up to xn are the input neurons and connected to the output neurons by this weight. Okay, and the value of this weight is already obtained, that is 0 0 0 minus 2 2 minus 2 0 0 0. Okay, thank you for watching this.